Pinapakita po doon si Ingot, si Dark Rose, tsaka si Tumal. Ayan po, nakikita nyo ba yan?
Hindi kita.
Hindi ko kita, Brad, ulit. Ano na ilaw? Ito naman. Hindi kita, Brad eh. I'm the man. I'm the man. You know, I'm the man. See that? See? That? And that? Yeah, may ilaw, kita. Ayan pa, laki. Ayan, ayan! Madilim, Brad. Come around. Sunod na akin ah. Yan, kita-kita dyan, Brad. Ano pa isa?
Jemark, ikaw na.
Parang ako lang yan, Brad. Ako lang yan, Brad. Ako lang yan. Nung bata pa ako. Yan o, mga ganyan move. I'm not a princess, it's a fairy tale. I'm not the one to sweep for forbid. Leader of the stereotypes in Hollywood. This is a small town. I had a dream before you will let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to go around. There you are on your knees, begging for forgiveness, begging for me. This is fucking shit. El Bebe yan. Ayan, si Ilong. Tanang Ilongnan, Brad.
Fuck you!
Dumala yan, si Dumala yan. Eh, si Lupepe na yun, kay Mingay.
Brad! Brad! Wala na kasi tayo, on! Hey, oh!